Hey York Academy, it's your physical education teacher, Miss Kynard. So we had this Human Sunday thing going on, and as your PE teacher, I don't think I can encourage such a sugary treat. So instead of putting your coins in my jar, I hear that Mr. John loves ice cream sundaes. So be sure to bring in all your coins, all your pennies, and put them in Mr. John's jar by Friday to help support our school.
Hi everyone! So right now we're doing our penny wars here at York Academy. Bring in all the pennies you can before Friday so that we can determine the top 2 winners to be made into a Human Sundae. So of course I don't want to be made into a Human Sundae, but I think a really good person to be made into that Human Sundae is Mr. Goodwin. So friends, when you bring your money in, make sure you put all of your change into Mr. Goodwin's his jar, because he would make a fantastic sundae.
Okay, students, please remember that this Friday, all of your pennies need to be in for the penny wars. And don't forget that Mr. Michael really wants to be a sundae, other than he's not me, and he would be a better sundae than me. Thank you.
Hi, York Academy, it's Mr. John. So I'm here today to talk about that Human Sundae thing. Yeah, I really like ice cream a lot, but I really believe Miss Kynard would look really good being a big sundae. So I would put all your coins in her jar because she deserves it.
The first ending though?
No,
29. 1, 2. Got everybody? 1, 2, 29, go! Alright, we gotta work on the spring concerts coming up. You know what? I can't be a Sunday. I've just got too much work to do before the spring show. Turn Miss Kynard into the Sunday, or Mr. Goodwin. I don't care. Just not me. I'm too busy. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go!
All right, so here's the deal. Mr. Bricker's head already looks like a cherry. You wouldn't even have to do much work with that. So we could just add the toppings and it would already be there. And I was on the roof last year. There's no way I should have to do that again. Absolutely no way. That's all I'm saying. So bring your pennies in, put them all in Mr. Bricker's bucket, leave mine empty. That would be great. So what's this I hear you're trying to make me a sundae?
Well, you know, little birdie told me that you were trying to make me a sundae.
Well,
I know, but I think I have a better idea. I believe Mr. Goodwin would make a really good sundae. You know, all that warm syrup, butterscotch, whipped cream, cherry juice. Yeah.
oh yeah. So bring in your coins. And I think we agree that Mr. Goodwin would be the best candidate for this Human Sundae. So Friday, make sure you support our school and give local York.